Welcome to Foundations in Psychology. I'm Dr. Langridge. Each video in this lecture series will focus on a different concept within the psychological sciences. Our goal is not to approach these topics from an overly technical or advanced perspective, but to focus instead on establishing a basic understanding of each concept, and in doing so, build the foundations required to expand and improve on these conceptual frameworks if needed. If you're enjoying the videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. This is going to go a long way in allowing us to produce future content. And speaking of future content, if you have any suggestions for a future video, or if there's a topic in particular you'd like us to cover in a future video, please leave us a comment. We want to make sure that we're covering the topics that you're interested in. So whether you're a student studying psychology, or if you're simply interested in psychology in general, we'd love to hear from you. Okay, let's get started.